Hi. In this short little slide set, I'm going to discuss the idea and the problems of the internet and its impact upon our profession when you extend this for the next 30 years. Why 30 years? Well, this year the internet is 30 years old. So we have a 30-year view of how the internet has changed. Can we use that to extrapolate into the future for 30 years? Certainly, there's some things we can look at and we can get a feel for what might happen. But I think a lot of it is down to what's happening externally, the way smart cities are being talked about, what's happening with the internet in general, how people are going to use it, what do governments think. All of this, I think you need to look at. So, in this slide set, I'm going to discuss those various points. And as an aid memoir, each page will have a short little video on there just to extrapolate that.